Mr. Frank Amwakwene. No ma pa wo ye ma asante we nyina ye hu. Since aban sesa ye. Ade ba ko wa ya eye me fe pa yi. Eye sene wo te se ye nana subin su kese ya oda komase mfimfi. Emu aye fin na ukoti emu kama. No kra esu subin ye nana for dawasi. A route you can never skip when you are going to Bensia, Senipania president, or your wine, the petitire bia, monarchy wise. So we'll come and share a route are only skipped down. A moment we are making. Over do be an fiable hot dumping to the extent that a glass company kitchen will or when I also on the face edgy fin who said be in the glass and my animals. Now route. A dear 8 years MPP and Timianya. For the past 8 months, Adiamayenum essing 8 years of the MPP government. Every day since some about Bemu, we make sure some be cleaning that place. Send a be a whole comments ya and yen was here and master. That tells you the respect you have for otumfuo. That tells all of us the respect our war otumfuo. It proves to say. No ma pa wo ye nyina opeso so tumfu ani amako ye na meboa because nka wo nke say wo be cause something in wo ye besi wo kwam for you to do that proves say ubu something any asante. If so, then it means everything you do with and that's everything Mahama is telling you to do asante me ani agi o ya sha asante hin ani nemu say wo sha asante hin ani munyam a adan na afa die wo di na tem. Sabro basic India Santa Mayuratem. Sakasan ye beat around the bush and any pay Jimmy. Sometimes you have to go straight and kick the surface of the drum. I'm asking you something. If you are doing all these things for Asante man, then why? At the end of person yes so Asante in any so any we please no who say oh boy you man the rage. Nipa no a person so the nino. After then I would not. And Pennyfo say, Obanya Seni ka semwa, Jetin wo kwasia, mamo. Asante reg.minister himself was one kwasia. Ana. Ade na nipa, chochofo. Nipa bia, wonu ni profile account, no mo follow ni mpundu 3,000. Now we are over 200,000, you ukuta almost over 400,000 people. You have more than 1 million engagement every day. 1 million engagement. Na wo timi ko post tu obi edi di atema wo di asante ma wura wo ni mama mra ni amane so obanyansani ka asem ete ne kwase no na wonu ni nyansani no asabi wonu kaseti asante ma wura na account no nipa 3 pe na ehu ade na like wo big accounts are over 1 million engagement wo ko post tu edi di atem no a disrespect asante ma wura no wo ko post what to big account ni because you are the first person to posted it into your account. Like Ghana for pride don't wear unu ye. Otumfuo to galam say. Asante reg.minister who approve. Ono ma pa wo ye nyina ye nim se otu galam say pa. Ye nim se o concession wo wa asante reg. More than 50 concessions. But the entire enkan wa sabra make us say akwe we people need na wo kasa. Ghana dey so the mere excuses. Adwen wo form ni ntiro. Se wo kasa a common part we dey nyansasem na wo kan. And come and one kwasi asem na wo kan. No bi biara wo hwe me bia no so how fair that I am. You know correct. And it when I was beginning the video, me ma unhunu no ma pa amwako hene eye. And me ma unhunu ti mu ponti a wo ye. For you to know say me meti here, no kura na me kan kosi wiase ye. You are doing all these good things for Asante region. In general sense to please otumfuo. And at the end of the day you are insulting the person you want to please. Amwako hene. One more song was some somebody debia. Me also on this platform. Mabeka said Yaoda. Meaning I know I don't do that. I do things based on reality and fact. Account to get to our post 2 way. This is what the account posted. Dear otumfuo stop galam say and say when you access to the full flyer no both any panic show dear otumfuo stop galam say. Now for you to have the clear picture of the whole situation, no. This is what the person really posted. Where Joy News for Anamako Tamefree. Joy News issuing a disclaimer say sa post we omunim ho hwe. And I'm pass so Joy News for account ni mu a obetimi a scroll till the past 8 weeks and nothing like that is in your profile. And yes, I'm posting on my delete. Benya confirmation, nothing like that. Since I mean who say I'm going to post side way and nothing was there. So I'm going. What are you talking about? I don't need to post to side way. Or post to you when not likes crampo. Or did you do what is 2 for 2? That I'm saying to me. Unyan sending you are also in answer. And then I will repost to so be do 2 for them into your account. I'm going. So oh many battle the platform. So on the platform near K1ng what our platform is so. Into one better platform no so. No one you to more because if you really respect your father, no be so father ako repu obia. Say father wako to akramo na. Unko farm to profile no so. That alleged video. Now when you say video where a man for say papa ko to obi mu na no nye no kre. You won't even discuss it in public because you know say you ngwase e ma baba. Inti ade na ade a won't even find your papa. So who put something here? What the yes something the regional minister. Obisu otumfuo stop galamsey. And you thought say it was so wise say account no ye K1ng no nipa bebre ehun. Wo betam adi atem na to pro for mama Ghana for. No I said that tron semfo bi about it. Say the wunim ho hwe. Nti wo di tufu. Oba nyansani ka semwa. Yeti no kwasia. And ebe a wo buo no. Ti so omo omadwen wo fam a sebi dimiti omumu no omo nte wo ba a wo buo no ase. Bia na adwen wo soro bia. Se wonim se otumfuo to garam sa fa beto abonten. Mensi ade bia se wo tu nananum wanie. Wo tu nananum bebre. And wo na bufuo mu omo de ko omo de ba no. Obi betimi a ota something. Otumfuo garam se kura me ne etu ade no wapam ne. Obia ni hu a wo bon ho modern so be pame galamsey for two on one ahim for some of them almost so mention more than 20 years otimi to be edru maybe kra Ghana for so otumfuo to two ahim for you too much onya botre and we tie break ne kakra every week be an otimi 2 3 4 within a week because of say that chuom so mutu galamsey otumfuo made a public video also obi biara a wonim say ye tu galamsey e wona sas ohini biara report no metu no ampa. He was doing that. I'm a queen. What him Yansan seeing the person you're trying to please, in public, is the same person you are insulting in that really. Opinion say ni can't someone yet in a quasia. I can't get to no post to you no be until but wo quasia no. What about my Ghana for you know who so be so otumfuo to galamsey. I don't want to believe. I'm going in the kind. This one is also coming from Joy News. The prove what your Joy News anymore. I'm going. You know this Joy News anymore. Agenda Ben happens all the trouble thing. Who has a who good Santa Mai with a please do the needful thing. Joy News. Don't open the floodgate for these things to get out of hand. MBA prono ma man for bedu otumfuo. Who na wo be prono sa man for bedu otumfuo. Because who want post to say we and go be ehun. Nanga Joy News mpun nim no mo so be repost to at one account nim say enim hore. So what would the floodgate awasa say will be? So Joy News currently is going to use all more platforms in now to issue a disclaimer on that flyer no. Ah mo post to yen. Say otumfuo there stop galamsey. Some flyer no am share that design. Who na we be the floodgate to put on some man and from could do otumfuo. There are a lot of things. A boba bontia. Yen kan ho asem. And until that sometimes a whole week na K1ng Ghana this platform you post a video there. And their subscribers enyini kakra enyini boom because yenye nkofo no ade bia video. Wo mu ane asesem na bia me holidays mu no na me video na brem kakra wo mu ane mate comment video ma. I'm not chasing the subscribers because across social media handles, I have more than 300,000 followers and subscribers. Even on Facebook, I can't count it. Within a year, we have about 110,000 people following us on Facebook. We are not Russian. There were a lot of things I keep it media back. Because all the video baby are new subscribers. There were a lot of things we could have bet. obanyansani ka asɛm a yɛte no kwasia nano kwasia nano ana yɛte no
say regional minister or push agenda say you do otumfuo picture I galamsey artwork.
What kind of regional minister?
I'm Ashanti regional minister, no. So or yes, that is the level of disrespect.
About to say pictures in the car, no, is the
and then you on the share the wine. And you on the start agenda na wine. Four na ye no enye bitu. Four na ye otumfuo say otumfuo because ye the nana your friends say the mama picture ye governance. You have to be open. You have to allow people to express themselves. That's democracy. What you say? But gagging people, culture of silence, mini adia, yenye ni say. Ebwa. On says say Ashanti regional minister, push agenda. Otumfuo no mudina ye your friend say artwork. E wo galamsey. Onkoso.
Exam no abote. Ye de mahama anim ay artwork. Say odu galamsey wo Ghana. Enti wonyan na ne galamsey a wotu no abro so. If say na abamba we issue licenses be almost 30 licenses. The saddest thing crowd say ukopie mu eastern region nko a abrim hono mo keke no abrim hono mo keke no. I think say be 8 concessions and what the amount for mu to galamsey. Abrim crowd yo mo ye mbobo. Minko hoda, but the details that I'm getting plus the report that I got galamsey concessions. Kroketwa no licenses nko a mahama the amount for so mu to galamsey. Beye 8. And you're shocking. And you see on your screen, when we na ye abremu ni mpesu aso kwa ana omutu galamsey. Me no gazara wo sebne say ensuo mponipa enye bi nom. School dan a ewo ye frɛ ba bi apankese ase bibi sa ben abremu enkura wo classroom yetimi from say hey mumpie ye betu galamsey enu timi skip sa no ma we nyina mo akohire. Otumfuo and the deadlines ne ma wo mo eastern region. So woman go to galamsey na meboa amakwene ejudi as say what ba mahama no ama sebi wa adwen ni ntimi nwini to the extent that say mahama na edi bone mpo a so do otumfo ni monyam beto so no we neutralize issue no I kill it with an agenda no you don't care about what people will say about otumfo because we NDC ni do ntimi nwini that is why you think now say wouldn't say me MPP ni na me ntimi nwini ye kwasia na mede ha na nka no mapa mo ye ma asante region ka bet na ha beka I won't do that na de bia me kan se wo twedi ampon hata sori no wo hwe ye nyina yakobo if you can open the floodgate for people to insult otumfo like that at the wedding na me kan no grant say wan hwe bedroom bedu ba bia hu sa jimi no akakra wo ye no e bedroom rebu no nipa be si wabo akun wokumase se de okopie mu isiremu a wontimi nko di ya na atem nam ho free ana wontimi nko di togwa fed atem e woni kuro mu nam ho free mini okatechie free fa ko kasete a eye the government kakra bi no omo ma ne pacho government as will be I think one of their highest tool no omo ma ne pacho people were threatening okatechie when adwumam fortunately that day no ni and when you not show how we binum emfa wo mu wura wo hini ni ago it also about this guys in the name of the Asante regional minister who control the police force and what Asante region police force bet share will say Asante in your first police force for one a bet show ababon tiam ye siwa buakum udi the mekan say oh bo bra palma Asante me hu say these are the reasons as to why I was here NDC near to Obama NDC Asante shouldn't be part of the foolish politics that you are doing Asante Otumfuo, the king of the people of Asante, shouldn't be part of your politics. You see, I have the issues say 100 as a 400 as a 4,000 as a 2,000 the mining license. Ghana for be brain teaming unity. They are asking, say, why did Akufo-Addo do that? But they are not asking. So, are there a power as shifting? Now those 2,000 licenses no egusu ye adwuma mahama sa wo mpedi Akufo-Addo ye no twa licenses ni mu ai complain ye too much say me who fly abi say security the number of licenses Akufo-Addo issue here for people to have concessions to mine illegal ne sa galamsey once na me see me who those flyers me say and then they binum say ya ejimi sa Etim sebisa. The flyer should be Mahama buy no sin any galamse huntino. We trust 2,000 licenses we trading them. Here was sampa. When in galamse. The government that is gone is still being blamed for the misfortunes of the Ghanaian citizens. You better not have any more tassing Sandibia. The government that we voted out, say Mbeno, is still being blamed for the misfortunes, the cries of the Ghanaian citizens. Why did we vote? Why did we vote? There are a lot of issues that are going on in Sampa currently as I'm talking to you. Nanka me reporter ko PM was Sampa just few hours ago. Komu kumu was Sampa. The reporter ko PM was Sampa. The chieftaincy disputes and co. More the two chachano. Dormaahene tenasia wo moji tu musin sign krata ase. Me pe api court jet. Maria me hwie secret. Me drop it some. Me pese me kasa. Me pe api court jet. Mahama se there be. Yewura Dormaahene. Say the only asante man wura ye ebros. When we obi kura be kasa me hwechi. Eye wasom ye. Waboa ye yaba power. But some normal way party the appeal court jet position in can one as I confirm a lot of things. Tinana nya wotre. You back here the initial name one car some baba left and be pianco. The appeal court jet position a 20 and then 21. Dormaahene was not part of it initially. The amount baker and lesson who was okay, money be min ko otumfuo asem ne say bio. Min gina otumfuo di mu disrespect and fan pe hype bio. Min disrespect asante ma bio. Min cause trouble between the people of Bono and Asante bio. Men say sampa ntokwa ase e ma jone ni dede enkoso wo sampa bio nti woni mi bi die be prove say me Dormaahene masesa ne say me drop secret party bi masesa ne say monfa appeal court jet position asema make say Dormaahene hwem ya ne ma se no sa boy we wonya information free monfa appeal court jet position no monfa ma me mumpia me na me so me de krata no a matena so be ye mfie mi nsen no be de bema the National House of Chiefs no ma gazette na na samba jafla asema me ken sabi na samba jafla so hwem ya ne ma se no sa Ken, were you there at the meeting? This was the private meeting that went on. Mahama asked. Dormaahene, oh yeah, sure. So what did Nkrata Anibeko? Now, one thing I am with Diawo, a year, your friend is saying, boy, we are my friend, Sanabloy, boy, no. Me Diawo, who some of the other say, some of the Jimmy said, the Nkrana, who must say, Krata no Dormaahene tena so for be 2-3 years in. And then finally, I could PM on National House of Chiefs. And then a few months, and son ye be piano man be appeal court jet. Krata no could PM on the National House of Chiefs because without Dormaahene, he ain't mean gazette and samba jafla. The signature here was Krata. Who must you? Dormaahene tongue at the according position. But you don't know. If he was able to sit on those documents for 3 years, Emmanuel Bekan said, "Si a chini tu mumpo no Dormaahene on farm. Oh my yen stress some jafla in yen gazette and da." In the all of a sudden, si a timia gazette some jafla busa hon say, "Krata no a citizen Dormaahene kwan sign from the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. E dey could deed the National House of Chiefs for. Intia fe the one with the intia, the National House of Chiefs e declare some would be wanted. E dream maybe no more chance on beche Dormaahene. Afi what you say because it was a mutual agreement between Dormaahene, the National House of Chiefs, the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. Mahama said, "Ansa ne the appeal court jet position mema. Ti ase fakrata anema wo. Yen gaseti wo mo. Eno de memi agi we di say san tokwasem ye koso wo Bono sampa ne ade na tu obetwa because wo na obetimi control sam modua. Ti de wo pama. On the 2nd of this month, ye pushi Dormaahene ko appeal court jet the news ni nya blow kwa bontin na want to wadwin sa. Sa da na yumre ana ye kum oba bi e wo sampa. Because nensa kan de opa wi. Bi secret bi akiro. If it is hard done why you in sampa case no I west. When you the opa wi. Now the next agenda is say obe cause trouble was sampa sam ya ka say okay. And yes abia the gazette no e dia man na samba jafla be holding on because eno na many pekunu say cause was sampa. Dormaahene has disrespected Mahama. Wo bu Mahama enimtia. Mama Mahama di ne ho yaw. But politically ontimi nya Dormaahene hwe. Waye wi. Some of the adwinsa. Small boy say na blow na adwinsa. Into a musa and say Dormaahene timi tina krata for a lot of years abra yan gazette sampa jafla dia ada ne ebe kakra ma epia na kwa appeal court judge honum no kwa dia ya gazette sampa jafla man de sankrata no koma na krata na ese do man hina nsan a yentimi gazette na eyede ne ko wa fa wachi de wakoto chacha amya na mo ha ya ho amakwa ne nsema ye be hwie agu ho. You know what it takes, but you still blame otumfuo for the misfortunes in Sampa. Motina sa meeting na money negotiate ye no. Siempa appeal court judge no position ne ma. Na wona betimi aka se na bolo akoma ato ne yem. Na se na be ya afane nyina obi abenya 1 point. Won so the gazette document ne be kɔ ne ya gazette Sampa nyafla. Na ye 1 wa 1 point wa. Na anye cheated. Wo kwotena ase a wo gitu mu. Na se na bolo we. Akoton akora ketewa ni monyam de akodi appeal court judge position. Eno yenka ho asem nwie. Yekum nipa wo Sampa. Yenka ho asem nwie. Kenya me nkwan kam reporter yeku no. Me don't want details be bra on the next video. Ki yekum a reporter. Ye wie ne ade ne phone ye delete ade bia record footage bia wateki wo bia. See na sum e man express bu ye. Ni secret airport de send asum. Hwe na so ma ade ni timi yi to form. They use every software possible to retrieve those videos. Me no can say we are not able to retrieve them because nipa no could delete it from the recycling bin before answer the ekonya no ye Google Drive. Before answer the video no go through Google Drive, you could delete it free and the recycling bin intimi back it up from the Google Drive. Kenya me kwa komu kuno. It took a guy called Edu. Edu say who tie me Sampa. Mati de we mame reporter ni. Ono de netina moto so. Etu ni free Sampa. Copy mo the next town. That's ankomuko. Just because of that. And some na kwaso Sampa ye kuma ba panyi bi atu gatem. Boni o madie no dons. Wo mo mpese be ba abonten. Ghana fonso wo so mo hunu de ekoso ko ni. Say ye save ana say ye save mi ankokum obi sa. Or go take record of the situation in Sampa after a swear dormaahene in as an appeal court judge. Obi a hear me and the buafo me pray me bon pan say wo this year bi nkopie mu Sampa. Na de eto ahohoi e bi nto no wa hu say the trouble that is going on there is safe for humanity. When nyina mo akohene wagya ato. Ehihye motomu ntimi nka ho asem. Otumfuo tini ba bie wodi nanimu be for the galamsey. O concessions awo wa asante reg nye ka ho asem. Ipe ni ho time. De obetimi anya abo o man no na ye de hia yen. Because there were a lot of people who to galamsey even including Wuntumi mo. Emwa wo ye ma asante reg ye hu bia mfiri Wuntumi hoda. Wonye sika no ano de akotena radio so na wo show so we sika wo se asante asase no enti wo de better to gata mu ama asante mu aye kama what ya you don't have a problem with you at least you humfa so wo so na se wutimi nipa na wo please no ye otumfuo no wo nani metwetwuru fom say party champion nsem hunu na wo die no abra ye ntimi nka nkyere na se joy news kwa post sa amfonyin wei na joy news for post you fonyin wei dear mahama stop galamsey omiye no msa post we kan join you sa post sa we nso kan ho dear mahama stop galamsey omu post sa no ma we mienu na se wa ma ko hini wo fili se ye bu mahama enim tienti ye mbu otumfuo nso enim ti a o me ye hu di bre se ne o party sem si hia esen kura wo free mu joda enti ye se ye dia ye mahama nti ade ne yemfa nye wotumfuo na anya bia no mutu galamsey wotumfuo no mu ne hyegure mu ho ave mo hunu enti esa foto we ye o ana mo akohene edit ye choose an page ketwa no ono na say sa page na enti na wotimu say o ma post bibi wo sa page or something like this o mutimi post bibi wo sa page wo na o ma underline na mo akohena sesoro say a secret conversation bi o ma die no ono kwa na ti ase 8 years ago the certificate be out. This conversation is coded. It means am akohene kwa na nim koma o de abeto abontin through this speech. And so confirmation na say am akohene no na say sa page be ase e clear onim nipa o search that na say your man. Because this is a key conversation as a unkuta the code untiasi. a page you me post to at the other the most liked content than the post to me 4 likes. But me akwatama be to account because you say Mahama and stop a gal I'm saying. Join news for post you way. In tennis, I join news for one. One more coin be search the AI generative photo and you tomb for Tara or Benyanseni can somewhere yet in Quasiano. You better not have near kind of catcher of mine.
NDC MPP. So won't be fighting gal I'm saying. Mama cannot cross and punch on you munchakuru. NDC executive sir. Any party members are A2 Galamsey. Some also MPP for no more.
Government can never stop Galamsey. This Ghana at all.
And this is for A2 Galamsey say no. What does so MPP for no to Galamsey no? Me that is why when I am careful. Because they do something that can make catch up pepe. Oh, you make a crew.
Government can never stop.
Oh, come on, some friend. Jerry Galamsey.
Okay.
Pacho, but so friend, DC not one or CPP ni.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this ni.
Okay.
It is our combo so friend who says here, Peter. Not DC not one or yeah, DC ni.
Okay.
You must show.
Ah, only I the head of the District Security Council.
Okay.
No, boys said a deal when we campaign. Our constituency, to Galamsey, don't mean car or Kawan or Kahon.
Okay.
And here number 1. But say you come and so quanta.
Okay.
Mansu quanta ni DC.
Okay.
Okay, MC na DC. DC not Mansu quanta no. Emsafo pacho. Oya MPPD.
Okay.
Oya me party CPPD.
Okay.
Oya DC ni.
I'm in a party.
Baba say come Mansu quanta.
Yeta.
So.
Hey, but see come Mansu quanta.
So.
Na question the way Galamsey no e koso Mansu quanta. Ah ye wo DC wo ho.
Government can never stop Galamsey in.
Come Mansu quanta. Mansu adubia.
So.
I'm going to
But see ko Kenya go.
Okay.
Na ko bisa won say.
Okay.
Galamsey Peter drip machine to munya baby mfanfa no mo dey akohedu.
Okay.
We nya MPP video.
Okay.
We NDC video. Enra dey to go say. Momwami. Enra 6
Okay.
October 2025. NDC video.
Okay.
There ye be yan say. Jebi. Ade we gbangban no wa je so say. So no so niti. Wasa je so gban. The deal on it all. This is happening now under John Dramani Mahama. Look at the effrontery. This guy, when there could draw, can find the Siwano. This video, these pictures were taken just yesterday. Now, Ohinibia, yeah, the judge Penibi and say, Galamsey has gone down.
I said, Ohinibia, yeah, the judge, and say, that is dormaahene. I said, no, I can't tell my
This video, these pictures were taken just yesterday. Now, Ohinibia, yeah, the judge Penibi and say, Galamsey has gone down. Ohinibia, yeah, the judge Penibi and say, Galamsey has gone down. Ebe nana judge,
the level at which MMDC is Maji and portending the whole Ghana to Galamsey. Oh no. Indian come once. Yabo Mahamachi. Say we to Galamsey. One more Mudina Chino, to Galamsey, what which I can't see Maham on that. And until 1 year wundi. Yanka so otumfuo so to Galamsey. He didn't say what Jimmy sa. I'm going to be named what Jimmy sa. Me name say what Jimmy sa. And for you to know, say, I cherish everything you are doing for us, Sandaman. But I mean, what Jimmy sa. Hey, you ask them for. Omo do NDC power. Paropa ma NDC. Koba kuko he. NDC in disrespect to Amohene. They will vote 0 for them. There are a lot of things. Opa and develop nothing region. Opa do everything. Lack of development and your crime mom. That party is almost the what is this almost the matter. But when you disrespect Amohene, they will vote you down. Because there were tribes before Ghana were formed. And Ghana is made of tribes. Tribe describes who you really are. So without a tribe, you have no history. And a man without history is a useless man. You are choosing a political party against where you come from, against your tribe, against your leader, your true leader, the Anthony Swaba. NEC can go and come at any time. Otumfuo will still be there, representing asante, you, the people that you are from. And you think that the party is bigger than where you come from? You are very stupid, Amwakwene. The propaganda is too much. And you better now, you can't agree to be a Obanyansani can't someone, you tin kwasiado. And so the post will be making it so Otumfuo to Galam say, when ya when you pack on the post, when ya even 4 likes, 5 likes in Buenya, that would me post to Yenya more than 1,000 likes on that. About 1 million engagement and go. What would you do to watch it? Jimino. On our next video, they told me reporter I was sampa spy also on Semka, Beso Chichimu, Emma K1ng Ghana tier for you who they told no a year sampa. Yeah, the dark details no plus some other secret I also I was sampa kunyasem. Yeah, the back home. Yeah, the Baba Besum one and this. When you are K1ng Ghana, you waiting somewhere air coso and your Baba no I the Baba Sum. A dear and our country a Amakwene. Also my Santa Mai, he is doing everything possible to please Otumfuo. But yet the same Otumfuo no person please it. Who did not tell me. When you are K1ng Ghana, we know being in case of any updates, if it's short on that video. The encounter of my reporter, a yes sampa. A bread in Yamingua, Nanka Woman Kumu, a yes sampa.
K1, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar, so you see commentary for home, so good, keep on going.
And the Ostan also, the Ebema other tribe are follow, only sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know if they'll go commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a focus free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng Ghana, K1ng will try.